Hi, you've seen that thumbnail and you're here because you're looking for a loan. We know times are hard, things are very expensive at the moment. Some of us wake up very early in the morning, go outside there to hustle, and you end up coming back in the evening with nothing. That's where my topics always comes in. Where can you get an emergency loans in case you have that emergency, or rather that urgency? Right? In case this is your first time here and this is the kind of videos that you've been looking forward to, make sure you're becoming a family by subscribing to this channel. The subscription button is on your left or right, depending on what you're watching me with. Join this family, right? In case also, if you're new here and you don't know who this is Doreen. This is Doc Vlogs. In Doc Vlogs, we talk about loans, we talk about real estate, we talk about best websites whereby you can just make money, yes, either daily, weekly or monthly. We also talk about anything that relates finance. So in case this is the kind of videos that you've been looking for, grab that seat and watch this video until the end. Don't forget to give this video a like because YouTube will always recommend it out there. If you're coming back to watch my video, most welcome back and thank you for being a subby. Let's move this journey together. So guys, where can you get emergency loans, or rather 6 places that you're going to get an emergency loan in case you are in that urgency, right? So today we'll specify about loan apps because the other time we talked about online loans, we talked about USSD codes, right? Yeah, so with the loan apps you can get them on Play Store, and I'm going to list 6 places, what they do, the loans they offer, and how you can contact them, right? Yeah, so the first place where you can get a loan, or rather if you go to Play Store, you can get this app by the name Direct Loan, right? Direct Loan, it has an orange logo. In case you see me looking down, I always have a diary with me whereby I've written everything that I want to share with you. I've researched and write them down because we are human, right? We can't keep everything in our head. So sometimes you need to research and just being accurate by writing them down. So they give out a loan amount of 1,500 to 20,000 Kenyan shillings. Yeah, so their tenor is 61 to 365 days. For those people who don't know what a tenor is the repayment period that you're supposed to repay these loans, and it also depends on the amount of money that you have taken. Some people will give you just 2 weeks, some will give you a month, but they are giving out 61 to 365 days, right? Yeah, so you can check on them. You must be 18 years of age. You must have an ID, definitely. You must also have being mpesa user, definitely, because the loan is sent to your mpesa, not to your bank account, right? Yeah, so those are the basic things that you need to have. And if you want to contact them, you can always contact them through 0730 73 1144 0730 73 1144. They also have an email. If you want to contact them through an email, you can always contact them at support@directloancash.com. support@directloancash.com. Right? So that's one app that you can find on Play Store. It has an orange logo. The reason why I always mention about logos is because some people have imitated these apps and you'll end up falling in bad hands, whereby they'll ask you for something in return so that they can give you the loan, right? I always say and specify, any app that will ask you for money before they send you the loan, that's a scam, right? Unless it's a bank, because, or I just have this feeling that anyone asking you because you are in need and someone is asking you for money, so definitely thinking out loud, right? That's a scam, right? So please avoid such apps. So number 2 is True Pesa. True Pesa is TRUEPESA. True Pesa, TRUEPESA. Right? It has a yellow logo. Kindly, when you go to Play Store, just check on them and it has a specific yellow logo, because those imitating apps cannot copy the logo of the specific app, right? Or even if they have copied the logo color, they must have something different, right? Yeah, so you must be Kenyan citizen also. You must be 18 years to 65 years. Just listen to the years, because there are those apps that limit people who are under 18 or 18 and below. And they also rather decide to give people from 20 to 60 years, right? So True Pesa is giving out loans to people who are 18 years to 65 years. They're also giving out a loan amount of 2,000 to 80,000 Kenyan shilling. And with this one, you must have a source of income. So when you're going to fill in information, please make sure that you're writing that you have a source of income, or rather just tell them you're self-employed and you can explain it further, right? I always tell you guys to listen to the videos till the end, because some of us just listen to the name, and you run to Play Store and you end up not getting these loans, right? The APR is 12% to 25% per annum. That is per annum. Then the service fee is 2 to 8%. Make sure that you note the service fee is going to be deducted from the amount of loan that they are going to give you, right? So depending on the amount that you took, they'll deduct the service fee of 2 to 8%, right? If you want to contact them, contact them through 0719 276399, 0719 276399, right? You can also WhatsApp them, and the information when you go to app, anything that I'm reading, guys, you can always find it on app on the about section, right? You can also email them at support@truepesa.co.ke, right? The third app is Rocket Pesa. Rocket Pesa has a red logo on Play Store. They are giving out a loan amount of 5,000 to 50,000 Kenyan shilling. Their tenor is 90 to 365 days. Their APR is 24% or 0.066 per day, right? Yeah, so they have given out the breakdown of even per day on the APR that you're going to pay. And if you want to contact them, you can contact them through 0110428 right? They are located at Agwings Kotek Road, Nairobi, Kenya. That is if you want to visit them physically, right? Yeah, so you have been watching me until this point and you haven't subscribed to this channel. Why is that? Please become a family by hitting that subscription button, and don't forget, most importantly, to like this video. The reason is this. I always tell you, and you ask yourself, why does this girl always tell us to subscribe or blah, blah, blah? This is because anytime I'll do a new video, YouTube will always send you a notification that this girl has done this video, right? And you're going to watch it. Maybe this one did not help you, but my next video can help you in one way or another, right? And the reason why you should like this video is because YouTube will recommend it to some people who are looking for such videos like you, right? Number 4 is Little Pesa. So Little Pesa has a red logo. They're giving out a loan amount of 5,000 to 50,000 Kenyan shilling. Their APR is 106, which is a little bit higher. The repayment period is 62 to 124 days, which is also a shorter period of time. And it's available in Kenya, Rwanda, Tanzania, Congo, and Uganda. So for those people who watch me and they're outside country and you keep on wondering, hey, can we get these loans, right? So they're giving out loans to not only Kenyans, but Rwanda, Tanzania, Congo, and Uganda. Is that South Africa or is that East Africa? Right? I don't really know about it. So they are on Instagram. You can find them at Little Pesa. Twitter, you can find them at Little Pesa, right? Yeah, so they have not shared their contact, but you can always find them on Chrome, Twitter, or Instagram. Number 5 is Kamoa. Kamoa has a yellow-black logo on Play Store. They're giving out a loan amount of 500 to 4,000 Kenyan shillings. So this is just a mere loan that gives you an emergency little loan, not like others that I've mentioned. Their APR is 292% per day. Not per day, per month. Repayment is 9 to 24 weeks, which is a very short time depending on the loan amount they're also giving out. It's very low. So there are no additional fees, so they'll not ask you for anything, right? No additional fee at all. So you can contact them at contact@Kamoa app. You can always contact them any day, anytime for more information, right? Yeah, so the last one is Hela Pesa, which is giving out a loan amount of 500 to 200,000 Kenyan shillings to only salaried people. So it's on Play Store. Hela Pesa has an orange logo. It's only for salaried individuals, those people who are employed by the government, or anyone who is under employment and he or she is getting a pay slip, right? So that's an advantage you can take. You can get a salary advance because that's the loan amount that they are giving out, right? So please check on these apps. Kindly check on them any day, anytime. Go to Play Store, check on this. That is if you have an emergency, and make sure that, guys, when you take these loans, you're going to return them back, because it's so bad when you take something and you're not returning it, simply because they'll send you to CRB, or not even to CRB, they'll lower your credit score. And in future, you might need a bigger loan, right? And you will not have that help because you did not pay for these loans, right? So in case you haven't subscribed, please remember to give this channel a subscribe, and let's meet you on another video, same day, same time.